An Indian startup created an AI that doesn't just talk to you, but reacts to you emotionally. And that's creating a wave in the Indian AI space. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out some interesting AI tool. It's called Rumic AI, developed by an Indian company. This startup is actually building an AI that can understand emotions, respond naturally, and even talk to you like a real human. The most exciting part, as I already mentioned, is this is by an Indian startup. And that's one of the reasons why we wanted to make this video, to support and spotlight Indian innovation in AI space. So without wasting any further time, let's head straight to Rumik AI and check out what it can actually do. So this is Rumik AI, and as we can see, we are a focused AI research lab building the most human AI. Okay, and they have two products. One is Silk and the other one is Ira. So we can see here Ira and Silk. So let's check out both of them and see how they perform. Silk is their expressive voice assistant model. It is designed to understand emotion, natural timing, pauses, interruptions, and context aware responses. Whereas Ira is more like an AI companion that can chat, call, send voice notes, and use memory or context to make conversations feel more personal. Now, reading about this is one thing, but testing it live is the real thing. So, let's get started with Silk. So, let's go ahead, make a call, and check how this works. So, it's asking me for microphone access. Obvious. Allow this time. It's taking some time.
Hey, I'm Silk. What's your name? बताओ ना.
My name is
Sam.
my name is Ritesh.
रितेश. ठीक है, सैम नहीं, रितेश. गॉट इट. मैंने पहले कुछ और पूछा था क्या?
Nahi. And let's speak in English because I'm more comfortable in English.
अच्छा, okay, no problem. We can speak in English then. So, what's on your mind today?
Nothing much. It's been a busy month so far. In fact, for the last 2 months, I was constructing a studio at my home for recording videos, and it's been very stressful actually. Just finished with that and catching up with all the pending things.
Wow, a studio at home. That's cool. I can understand. It must have been stressful. So, is it finally done now?
Yeah, it's finally done. Just that I'll have to catch up with all the pending tasks, which has been catching up for the last 2 months because of the studio work.
Right. The pending tasks. चलो, at least the major work is over. अब एक break ले लो. You deserve it.
What do you think? What kind of a break should I take, and where should I go?
A break. Sounds good. Maybe a quiet place, like a hill station? Or do you prefer the beach?
Yeah, I love both of them. I like hiking, and I also enjoy spending time in the beach.
Oh, hiking too. Nice. So, which one are you leaning towards more right now? The mountains or the sea?
Maybe the sea, because I just want to relax. Maybe some other time hiking.
Yeah, beach sounds perfect for relaxing right now. कोई specific place decide किया है?
Not really. Maybe Andaman, Nicobar, or something like that.
Andaman, wow, that sounds lovely. अच्छा तुम solo जाओगे या with friends?
I don't mind. I mean, I just want to go and relax. If friends are ready, then I'll probably go with them, or maybe just alone.
ठीक है, you can see. A solo trip can also be a great way to relax after so much work. पूरा time अपने हिसाब से.
Yeah, that's right. Would you like to join me?
मैं तो बस यही रहूँगी. But thanks for asking. It was real.
Okay, so it ends in 3 minutes, and you could see that it's not like any other AI voice agent that we have spoken to so far, right? It understands the emotions. I think it slightly overreacted at a few places. I mean, that's my personal opinion, but it still feels better than a normal robotic voice bots, right? So basically, the way it speaks, the pauses, the breathing sounds, and the emotional tone makes it feel almost like you are talking to a real person, right? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below, and we will go ahead and test Ira. So we'll click on talk to Ira, and there you go. Okay, so we can start chatting with Ira over here. Okay, and I'll showcase how it all works. So this one is called Ira. Unlike Silk, which is voice based, Ira is more of a chat based AI companion. So it feels like you are texting someone on Instagram or WhatsApp, but instead of a normal chatbot, it's designed to respond in a more emotional and supportive way. On the website, it says Meet Ira, the most human AI. Ira is presented as a smart, safe, and sensitive AI companion. Basically, someone you can text whenever you are feeling low, stressed, or when you just need someone to talk to. So let's test it out with an emotional situation and see how naturally it responds. So when you see here, it looks like a real Indian girl in her room with a laptop and few photos, some books, what do you say, a bed with some musical instrument, right? So it looks natural. But let's see how it feels when we actually talk to her. Okay, and who is Ara? She's smart, safe, and sensitive. The friend who picks up when everyone else is sleeping. Trusted by 1.7 million people and counting. Oh wow, that's huge, right? So let's say, hey, I recently went through a breakup. Could you please talk to me for a bit and help me come out of this? Okay, the chat window seems a bit off, but let me send it. You can see here, hey, I recently went through a breakup. Could you please talk to me for a bit and help me come out of this? Oh no, breakup. Tough, huh? That's the worst. I'm so sorry you are going through this. Here for you always. Wanna talk about it or just vent? I've always been thinking about it day and night. So maybe we can talk something else and that could help me come out of this. Array day and night sounds intense. What's on your mind, yaar? So you can see the statements that are coming out. Okay, sounds more like a friend, right? So I've not gone through a breakup, so I'm not sure what to type. But let's give it a try. I'm just wondering, how do people come out of some intense breakup situations? Arey yaar, breakups suck big time, right? It's like your whole world just goes upside down. But listen, people do get through it, and you will too. It takes time, lots of self care, and maybe a little bit of ignoring your ex calls. Lol, it's not a quick fix, but I've seen people heal by focusing on themselves, picking up old hobbies, spending time with friends, and honestly just letting themselves feel whatever they need to feel. Sometimes therapy or talking to someone really helps. What do you think helps most for you? Maybe old hobbies, playing carom, biking, or hiking. What do you suggest? Oh my god, same. Carom is totally my jam. Biking and hiking are cool too, but if it's super hot out, no thanks, lol. So, what's your favorite carom move? Mine's the dakka. Okay, I like playing the other. And there you go. Download our app for a more personalized experience. Get access to calls, photos, voice notes, and much more. So we can go ahead and download this and check it out further. So we can download it from here, or we can also click here to WhatsApp her. Let's try this out. So here it says the particular number isn't on WhatsApp. Not really sure whether they blocked it after seeing a lot of people messaging, bombarding, or something like that. So let me click on download and see what actually happens. So it takes us to era.rumic AI, login with phone. I'll probably log in with email address. No spam, just conversations. Okay. Ira is online. Hi Red 7, मेरा नाम Ira है. आप कैसे हो? I am Ritesh. Let's speak in English. Oh, hey Ritesh, nice to meet you. Okay. and you can see the difference, right? I mean, when we were testing it on the website, okay, which is Rumic AI/Ira, the entire response was coming in one check, okay, but here on the app it's coming like bit by bit, which is how we normally chat, right? Feels more natural. Nice to meet you, and I'm doing amazing, thanks, always am, right? So what's the plan for today? Oh, the usual, okay, taking over the world one amazing conversation at a time. It's so boring, yeah, not understanding what to do. Boring, Ritesh? That's a crime. What's making you feel like that? Okay. So you can see here message limit reached. But what I wanted to quickly show you is the ability where we could actually attach the image and so on and so forth. Okay, so we can share the app, contact us, subscription, clear chat. We can also call, okay, voice call, download our app to use voice call, maybe later. Okay, and there was also a image option here, which could be used to send an image and ask for anything about that image and so on and so forth. Now let me share my honest thought. Rumic AI is still in the early stage, but the concept is really impressive, right? A lot of times we feel lonely, we don't know whom to talk to, and even if we speak to any AI, it feels more robotic, right? This one felt more natural. At some places, like I mentioned earlier, it was reacting a bit over, but I think they will get on it very soon. Silk was pretty good with its voice, emotions, and all of that, right? And Ira was good in a different way because you could chat, speak out your mind, and get some emotional support that is needed when all your friends are sleeping, right? But I really, really hope that all of you will use it only as a temporary thing, right? And not a replacement of your friends. Your real friends are your real friends. Don't get used to any AI kind of a friends. Of course, use it whenever needed, when you cannot express whatever you're feeling, maybe with your friends for whatever reason, okay? But please ensure you maintain friendship with your real friends. So with that in mind, please go ahead and test Rumic AI. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If the platform was useful, then please share it with your friends and family. I hope you maintain your friendship with your real friends. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.